Yeah. Whoa.
I'm a potato.
So I found this baby on the hot concrete today. Do you know what this is? I actually found two. Hope they will survive.